How much empty space do you haul each run? The fuller your rig, the more profit you make, so use that space. Double your load and double your profits with Maxiloda. Maxiloda is a stored double stacking system for trucks and trailers. It lets you fit twice the load in each unit without damaging stock, making your fleet more efficient. 1 man, 1 minute. Maxiloda is the quickest, easiest way to stack your load. One person can easily do the assembly themselves, and the whole process takes less than a minute. Maxiloda works well because it's well made. It's precision engineered from high tensile aluminium and stainless steel, which is extruded, milled and cast into exceptionally high quality components, guaranteeing that the whole system is smooth running and low maintenance. The system can be installed in most new build or existing rigid hard-sided truck and trailer bodies. Sidewall load rails are glued and riveted. Rivets hold the rail in place while glue cures in the installation process. The extrusions protrude only 20 millimeters off the side walls. The castellations on the trolley beams are particularly suitable for freezer trucks. The second level load rail position can be installed at a height to suit a range of load height requirements. The wand is located conveniently at the entry to the trailer for easy access and storage. Crossbeams are stored at high level in the trailer, taking up only 200 millimeters of headspace. Each crossbeam is held in place on the track with a spring-loaded pin integrated in the casting, with 50 millimeters between stops. There are no loose components, nothing to get lost, left behind, stored elsewhere, or damaged by machinery at floor level. Trolley design allows float in the beam casting for movement in the wall. The wand is used for locking and unlocking the safety pins and lowering the beams into position from storage. The first safety station position allows control of the beam as it is presented to the full pallet tracks. Operator safety is paramount. Front and rear paired crossbeams are connected, creating a trolley capable of holding 2 pallets loaded side by side and is certified for a 2,000 kg safety weight limit. At both ends of the track, a safety stop is located to ensure that the full or empty pallets cannot run out of the pallet transfer track. Unique to Maxiloda, the loading of pallets onto the trolley at the rear can be done from a load dock or from ground level by forklift truck. Double stacking increases load efficiency, ease of handling and flexibility of product mix. Storage conditions can be variable, either frozen, chilled, ambient or a combination. A bridge can be incorporated when using side loading for further flexibility in last mile delivery. Unloading is a simple matter of disengaging the safety pins and moving the pallet to the final position at the end of the trailer. Engaging the safety pin at the final unloading position secures the pallet in place. The empty pallet trolley is then dismantled easily in reverse order to the assembly process. For safety, the beams are locked off in the final stored position. We know you are committed to providing excellent service to your customers. Whether you are shifting fruit or flowers, phones, TVs, computers or frozen goods, or indeed anything that could get damaged by resting another pallet on top of it, Maxiloda does the job quickly and efficiently. For further information on how a Maxiloda stored double stacking system can benefit your business, contact